Hi guys, this is Vishal here, and today I'm going to tell you about how to install Discord, use it for Cantilever Labs community. So let's just directly dive in. Firstly, we have to do is we have to install Discord. For that, you have to go to discord.com and download it for yourself, like download it from here. I have already downloaded the setup. Let's just dive in and install it. Okay, meanwhile, if you are using Linux, you can use sudo snap install discord or minus s snapd and sudo pacman minus s discord. So when you are done with that, what you need to do is you need to install it, open the Discord. It takes some time to install. Or meanwhile, if you are on phone, then you need to go to Play Store and install Discord from there. So this is the page you will get to see when you are on the home page. So what you need to do is you need to register from here and put an email, username, password and stuff. So after you are done with that, let me just register quick. So you must have got the invite with the message in the same email or in the same message you are seeing this video from, or you can also find it in the description for the YouTube. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now after you paste the link, after you open the link, you will see something like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna join it. You need to join it in order to see. Okay, so basically as you can see, there are suggested things what you need, what you can do. So we have updates on internship opportunities, new discoveries in tech and fun learning. So for now I'll just look around. When you open the channel, this is what you'll see on the screen. Okay, so this channel is designed for you ace your placement preparation along with having fun learning time. So here is the first page, which is welcome and rules. It includes all the guidelines you must follow while using this channel. So let's together promote a positive environment. On the second page, second channel, which is introduce yourself, we need you to give a brief introduction of yourself, including your name, college and specialization. Let's move forward to the announcement part. Okay, so under announcements we have three different channels, which is journal announcement, internship alerts and placement alerts. So basically all the new information regarding webinars or courses, any event or quiz, anything, it will be posted here in the journal announcements. And all the internship alerts and the placement interns alerts will be posted in the respective channels. So let's move forward in the events section. Basically event section is where all the contests, all the quizzes will be held for the Discord community exclusively. Okay, so we will be starting this when we have 2000 to 3000 community members. And let's move forward to the next part, which is learning and the most important part. Okay, so here we have multiple channels. Right now we have only included 5 channels for WebD, AI, Linux, help, competitive programming, aptitude. Okay, 5 topics. But later on we will be adding more according to the demand and the trends which are there in the industry. Okay, so how to use these channels? So basically we will be posting some content in these channels, and also you can post your doubts or new things you found, or some interesting articles here. You can converse here. That is totally up to you, but make sure you follow the guidelines and you don't violate it. Okay, so we'll be posting content soon enough these channels. Okay, so apart from these things, if you want to discuss anything which is related to learning, related to tech or non-tech, for now you can ask these questions, like have those conversations in these channels. Ask non-tech questions and ask tech questions. Okay, so next up we have the last channel for in the learning part, which is career questions. Here you can discuss about all your doubts or all your journeys in different interviews, different companies, or if you want any advice on your career, you can ask here and people from the community will be there to help you. And also if you know each other and share your screen, you can use these two voice channels. So let's just move forward. So right now we also have journal chat and self-promotion channels, where you can discuss about the topics or the things which are not related to learning or which are not related to cantilever labs. It could be anything, trending which is going on, and anything. And we will be adding more channels, such as specific channels for music or specific channels for gaming by the time you join this. Okay, so this is all about Discord. There will be admins, there will be moderators, there will be editors, there will be TAs, and rest is everyone. Okay, so if you are having some issue related to, let's say, permissions on the channel, you can directly message admin, which is Cantilever Labs account, and you can also reach out to the moderators. Okay, and in case someone is bullying you, someone is posting not safe for work content here on the channel, and or something related to your religion, caste, anything, and you are offended by that, you can report it to the moderators. So, and the work of the editors are to post the internships, post the content, and for your doubts which you want to be clarified by experts, there will